the making of the Blizzard. This is where you start with the all-important Blizzard Cup. And what's going on after this, Michael?
We're adding Oreos. We're going to add some mint to it.
This is like the magic area. This is where it all happens.
This is where the magic happens. All right.
Okay.
Helps if we turn it on.
So is that the special wrist action that you use for the preparation of the Blizzard?
Yeah, but you're going to have to black that part out of the video because that's copywritten material.
Okay. You know, we can do that. We can do that.
And then you always serve it upside down.
Oh my gosh, close up. Look at that.
I've never had one fall out. I've held it for up to 2 minutes upside down and I've never had one fall out.
Making miracles happen today.
Yep.
Come on by the Dairy Queen. Here we're at 57th and Western. And tell us why everybody should come by, buy Blizzards, buy coupons. Get them now.
Everyone you buy, we're donating $1 to the Children's Miracle Network.
Let's help the kids.
Let's help the kids.
Yum.